Hello guys, this is Kerimale. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a pull-up banner in Illustrator, and we end up showing you how to make the mockup, the digital mockup. What you have to do is to switch back both softwares, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, and then we can go ahead and create a new project. We have 8.5 on width of pull-up, and then height it will be 200 centimeters. That is 2 meters to 8.5 centimeters. We need one artboard, and then I can go ahead and create my project. And here we go. I have my artboard. I'm going to drag this image. It's a paint of Michael Jordan, the Jumpman. I'm going to make a simple design of pull-up. I can go ahead and press embed, and then I have my image like this. I'm going to create simple shapes here. I can choose this color from this paint. I will duplicate my shape, and then I'm going to choose the red color. Yeah, we have it here. I will create a small circle here. We are going to use one of his coat. You can find the printed artwork of this image from www.artskerima.rw, or you can find the link in the description of this tutorial. I'll go ahead and I'm going to choose this quotation mark, which we are going to use here. I'll choose white. Let's use red for borders. I can duplicate it. Choose white, make it stroke, and then I'm going to choose this brush. I can increase its stroke so it can be more artistic. As you can see, it has brushes. I go to Google, goodreads.com, so I'm going to copy this code. And I'm going to paste it here. I can increase their size to here. And we are going to use Chunky 5 and Hardware. I will start by choosing Hardware. Let's type from, and then I can choose white color. So this can be medium, or let it make it regular. I'm going to use Chunky 5 Roman. This is a way of making a nice looking design by playing with the concepts. I will choose red for this. Michael for this. Okay, we got our title here. I'm going to copy this text. It's a quote text. So I can go ahead and choose white. black. Let's do 120. And I can go ahead and create a small stroke, splashed stroke here. And I increase my size like this. Let's reduce the size. Bring it to front, choose the background color. Let's see how it looks. Not bad, but let's leave it as a stroke like this. And I'm going to cut edges. Let's go here and choose this color. I'm adding this small logo, and I go to my logo, and we need this icon. I'm going to add it here on the top, just like this. By pressing Alt and Shift, you can make a perfect circle or a rounded shape. So I'll choose white for this color, and I have my logo here. I can increase its stroke just to make it more visible. And what we are going to do next, I'm going to make an oval shape like this, and then choose this color. Like, you can pick any color. So I'm going to select both image and background, and then I can go ahead and make a creeping mask. Boom, just like this. Let's not put this color, let's leave it like this. Just like this. Okay. What we are going to do next, we have our designed well-designed pull-up banner, and we are going to add it on this image, on this one. We are going to make a mock-up. How to do that? I'll go ahead and save this project to my file, MJ pull-up, MJ pull-up banner. I will save it into PDF. Press OK, and then I make sure I'm using high quality to print, because most of the time pull-up are for print. And then save my project. Okay, we have our well-saved project here. What I do next, I'm going to, inside Photoshop, I'll create a new layer. You have to make sure you follow this very well. I will take a polygon eraser tool, hold my shift key to reach here. I'm going to add like a white background or foreground on this project, and then you can hold shift by going straight, by also using polygon eraser tool here. We are going to make a mock-up. What I do, I will click on this small icons here so I can choose my white color. I take the bucket tool, and then I can fill it inside on the new layer. Let me call it white foreground. Okay, what I do next, I'm going to file, and then press ranked, or you can press embedded. I will choose MJ pull up banner and then press it. We have it here, as you can see. We have it here, and then I can press OK. It will load very quick, and then I can press enter. It will come as a smart object or a linked object, doesn't matter. What I do, I press Ctrl T or Command T and reduce my size like this, press enter. And the next thing we are going to do, I'm going to hold the Alt key on the keyboard so I can click here on this middle line, which is separating MJ pull-up banner and white foreground. Like this. We have our banner here. I will try to resize it. After fitting it inside like this, we can go ahead and save our project. Before I save, let me hope you guys run something, but as you can see, some information, we are losing them. What you do, you can go back and increase the size of the artboard. Yeah, let's leave it like that, like this. I hope you learn how to make a simple mockup in Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next courses, and make sure to do subscribe. Feel the art.